Today, let's take a look at one key process in PCB manufacturing, profiling. Profiling, or the PCB outline process, where we use the CNC router to mill the finished board. After the circuit, solder mask silkscreen into the exact size and shape specified in the design. For example, the board I'm holding here, and here was all kept using a routing machine.
According to the preset parameters of the routing program, a PCB board is first processed as the first article sample. During machining, the router bit rotates at high speed, cutting the PCB at the set spindle speed and feed rate. At the same time, the bit moves across the PCB at the programmed traverse speed to mill the board edges, slots, and other specified features.
After the first speed measuring is complete, high-precision measuring tools such as 2D version measuring system are used to accurately check critical dimension. We also give the verbal a full vision checks for any bird, delineation, or sketching. Only after it's passed every inspection do we move on to the mass production.
Whether it's the common rectangular or round PCBs used in consumer electronics, or the complex irregular-shaped PCBs in industrial control equipment, the routing machine can process them into precise dimensions and shapes according to the design requirements. In addition to traditional milling, we also use high-precision automatic V-cut machines to precisely control cutting depth and the residual thickness at the board edge, ensuring the boards remain firm before assembly and can be easily separated afterward. After the PCBs are formed, they go through another important step, final cleaning, using high-pressure acid water, pure water, soft brushes, and hot air drying. We thoroughly remove dust, grease, and microscopic metal particles from the board surface.
The PCB profiling process plays an indispensable role in the PCB manufacturing. In actual production, only by straining controlling each step of process and pay close attention to the various factors that affect the quality can we ensure the production of the high-quality PCB and meet the demand of different industries. The profiling process ends here. Thank you for watching. Please follow up and see you next time.